Let's talk about realistic expectations, all right? And please allow me to be as upfront as possible with you as I set these realistic expectations, because the better that I'm able to do that, the better time that you'll actually have in this whole process with us, because we'll be on the same page, all right? And this is actually a form of communication that I want you to practice yourselves with your future team members and your clients as well, because the better that you do this, the better you're able to do this, the more likelihood that everyone will be on the same page in the same book, right? So kind of leading by example here, if you will, right? All right, so I can't tell you how many times I've come across students that have, come into other programs and literally put in just the bare minimum of effort, and then try making a success out of it, and then they declare that the whole thing just doesn't work after a month, and then they give up, right? They just call it quits. And I hate to break it to you, but that's just not how you build a successful business. That's actually starting a hobby and then calling it quits because there just wasn't enough interest in it, right? I know this may seem like I'm saying the obvious, but I felt it was really necessary to have this conversation with you in case that there's any confusion as to what we actually do in this program. So what we are not is an online program that will teach you how to make money overnight without talking to anyone ever, or even lifting your index finger, all right? What we are is an online program that will teach you how to build your own digital marketing business built for longevity without the blowing up your overhead expenses or even hiring super expensive team members. This means that yes, there will be work involved that does require your attention and your efforts, and yes, it won't always be easy, as success usually doesn't come very easily. And yes, it might even become confusing and frustrating at times, but the good news is that's hopefully why you're here, right? We're kind of counting on the fact that you don't have all the answers so that we can guide you and support you along the way. So as long as you're willing to roll up your sleeves with us and allow us to guide you through this journey, and you have an I'm ready attitude, we're gonna be just fine. So buckle up if you're ready to build your mindset for success. Let's jump into the next lesson, and I'll see you there.